Hi guys, welcome to Blended Learning Community at Churchill County Middle School. I'm Miss Alexander
I'm Mrs. Park.
and this is Blended Learning. So we're going to do a little tour and tell you a little bit about the program. And then hopefully this helps with the registration process and for you to understand what we're all about. So this is the entrance of our classroom. It is not traditional classroom. It is three big areas that we use, different types of seating. And this here is called the common room. And every morning we have a meeting. We go over our schedule for the day. We talk about goals. And we get to incorporate different types of activities in blended learning that's not offered to traditional students. So it's a self-paced program using Edgenuity as a form of content to learn all of your ELA, math, science, and social studies. And then we supplement Edgenuity in with projects as well as different types of electives, but we'll talk more about that later. So this is the common room. We have also in the BLC what we call maker spaces. So for some downtime, we get to spend some time in maker spaces, and we'll walk over to the 3D printers and check those out. And Ms. Park's holding the Chromebook, so this is what
We're
you
being
get.
inventive.
We are.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the 3D printers right here, and these are BLC's printers. And what you can do is you can build things using different types of programs, and then we send it over to these, and they print all kinds of things. So kids use them for projects. We use them for fun. We use them as incentive also when you get finished with your curriculum and all of your expectations and projects for BLC. You can use these for fun. We're lucky because they belong just to our program, so we get to keep them here in our space, and that's the 3D printer. So this is called 3D printing. We have expectations for each of the maker spaces up on the walls here. And this common room is used for a few things. So sometimes we meet as home groups, sometimes we meet random. You can see the different types of seating over here. Not a whole lot of desks, but if you want desks, those are available too. So it's kind of a nice space. They took and they renovated it, and they did a great job. Let's head over to the Edgenuity room, which is a pretty
Try
quiet
not to make people
area.
sick.
Yeah, it's a pretty quiet area. It's a little bit more traditional. The teachers have their spaces, but we also have some tables set up. We like to facilitate tests in here. When it comes to MAPS testing and state testing, we do it in here too. And the expectation is that it's just a quiet environment. If you want something a little bit more traditional, you can sit at a table and get your stuff done here. Over here we have the cardboard cove, which is a little scary right now, but behind this door we have some materials that you can use for building stuff and for supplementing your projects. We have a little maker space over here. There's some duct tape, there's some glue guns, there's scissors, there's all kinds of tools in here to build and to supplement along with projects that you might be working on.
We've got hooks for backpacks to be hung up so people aren't walking over them or they're getting in our way.
Tripping on your stuff.
Yep.